to our dashboard and check sum. So we given an integer array nums and k. We need to split nums into k non-empty subarrays such that the largest sum of any subarray is minimized. Return the minimized target sum of the split. Okay. A subarray is a contiguous part of the array. So for example, here we have an array that is not sorted, and I believe it can have duplicates, and we need to split actually our array by two parts, and we need to have minimized largest sum of the split. So we have that there are 4 ways to split nums into 2 subarrays. So the best way is to split it into 7 to 5 and 10 8, where the largest sum among the 2 subarray is only 18. Okay. But actually, yeah, because if we will add all 7 to 8, 5 and 8, then it would be greater than 18, I believe. So what we can do, I think first we can sort actually our array, and then we can do like this. We can have like prefix sum, and then maybe we can do like this. We can start moving. So if this one is greater, then we can start moving. Or what else we can do? So let's actually think about approaches that we can have here. So let's imagine that we have some array like this with first sorted, then we can create like prefix sum. It would be like 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28. And then, for example, if we will move here, we know that at this position, all at the left we have 6, and at the right we have 15. So 15 minus 6, it would be 4. And we can calculate that yeah, maybe we need also suffix sum. So let's create also suffix sum here. So it's 7 plus 6, 13. Then plus 5, it would be 18. Then 22, 25, 27, and 28. Yes. So when we have some value, we can calculate like we have at the left, and also we have at the left and also at the right. Yeah, so we can do like this. We can have some indexes and calculate. So when we on force, we can check that on the left we have 5 plus 6 plus 7, and it would be 18. Yeah, we have 18, and here we have 6. So we can add this 6, return the minimized largest sum, the minimized. Yes, so we can add this 6, 4 to the 6, it would be 10, and here we have like 18, right? And we can return 18 from here. Then yeah, so what we can do then, seven to 5. So given array of nums, split nums into k non-empty subarrays such that the largest sum of subarray is minimized. It's contiguous parts, so we cannot actually, we cannot sort them. So we need to have, we need to have suffix and prefix still. And in this case, we can start calculation. So for example, here, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we know that prefix sum would be 1, 3, 6, 10, and 15. And suffix sum, it would be 5, 5, 9, 11, 13, and 5, 9, 12, 14, and 15. Yes, so we have such values. Then we jump here, so we have like 3. And we can calculate like here, here is 3, here is 9. So we can add 6 to 3, and we can return 9 as an subarray, right? Or maybe we can we calculate, for example, here? For example, if I will split 1, and 14, then I have 2, so I can split like 3, 3 and 12, then I have 3, so I can split like 6 and 9, then I have 4, so I can split like 10 and 5, and then 5 and 2, and that's it actually. And then I can get the maximum from all these pairs. So what I can do, like I can calculate the prefix, suffix sum, and then I start from the second element and I check these 2 elements. So let's do like this. So first we have prefix, new int nums length, then we have suffix, the same, then we just calculate first prefix, pref nums, like pref length I++, and then pref, we put like pref 0 equals to nums 0, and then we start from 1, I is equal to pref I minus 1 plus nums I. And then the same we have for suffix, and we just start from nums length minus 1 I is greater or equals to 0, I minus minus, and here we put like prefix nums length minus 1 equal to nums length, nums length minus 1, and here we start like minus 2, and then we to put like, it would be suffix, and here we put suffix nums length minus I is equal to suffix nums length minus I plus 1 plus the current value minus I. Okay, yeah, so we have prefix and suffix, and then we just iterate over initial array. And we start with the second element here. And here we can just check an edge case if nums length equal to 1, we just return nums 0. And here we are on current element, so we can take int left, it would be prefix I minus 1 and until length minus 1. So we should not go to the last one. And here we have right, it will be suffix, suffix, and we have some, let's say, result. We should return the minimized largest sum of the split. So we can take like integer max value here, and we return a result. And here we have left and right. So for example, we on some element 2, for example, we have from right and from left. So if left is greater than right, it means that we should put in the result mass min between. If left is greater than left, then mass min between result, and here mass min between left plus nums, right plus nums I and left. Else here vice versa, like right, here left, something like this. Let's run. Index out of bound. Yes, I think plus. So we start, so we have the last one, then we have the previous one. So I want to put into the previous one suffix of I plus 1 and nums should be I plus 1. Oh wait, no, it should be nums I. Okay, so here I have output 9, but expectation is 18. So here should be marks, I think. No? No. Here min, marks. 24. Alright, so how I can get 24? 6 and 9. It is this one. Let's calculate. So I have 7, 2, 5, 10, 18. And then I have prefix. It would be 9, 14, 24, and 22. No, yeah, 20, 44. Here I have like 18, 28, 33, 35, and plus 7, 42. Yeah, calculate 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 10, 24. 24 plus 10, 34. And plus 8. Wait, 34, 42. Yeah. So I have something like this. Then I can start with 2. And I can check like 7. So here I have 7, like it would be probably 9 and 33. Then I have 5 plus 9, 14 and 28. And 14, 28. Then have 24 and 18. And 18. 7 to 5, 10, 8. 7 to 5. So when I'm on 5, I have 9. 10 and 8. Yeah, so it should be 28. No. Wait, I didn't calculate correctly. So 18. So it should be 8, sorry. 7, 9. Then 14, 24, and then 32. Then I have 8. Then I have 18. Then I have 23. Then 25. And then 32. Yeah. So when I'm on 5, on this 5, wait. Okay, I'm on 5. So it means that here I have 9. Wait, 7 plus, yeah, it would be 9 here. And here it would be 18, right? So I add 5 to 9. I add 5 to 9, it would be 14. And then I have 18. So it should work. I don't understand why it doesn't work. So let's, what we can do. So let's here just print if we calculate correctly our prefix and suffix. So we have arrays to string method where we can put our prefix and also we can put our suffix. We can print this out. Okay, so we have 7, 9, 14, 24, 32, then 8, 26, 25, and 32. Yeah, so this is correct. Then I have left and right. So then I have left and right. And I start with, all right, so here I think this is a problem. So it should be a +1. Yeah. And now submit. Okay, we have wrong answer. Output 5, but expected 4. Okay, we have 1 and then 8. Then we have 5 and 4. 5 and 4. Yeah, but how is possible? Returns the minimized largest sum of the split. How this one is possible? I don't understand. Because the minimized here is 5. It's not possible to get 4 here. It's not possible. Maybe I didn't understand the question fully. But how can we split? We have here option 1 and 8, then 1 like 5 and 4, and that's it. Like we don't have other options. We don't have other options. Do we have some comments here regarding this? Prefix sum. Okay. Can we sort by date? Sort by... No. Okay. I think I don't understand actually this issue, but yeah, let's wait. Let's wait, and I'm end for today. Thank you.